Well, with a little patience, I got it put on there. I think pretty well about the same clearance. I took it down the road and then turned around and come back, got it up to about 55. I balanced it on that tusk deal and had to put these freaking giant weights on there. Those are steel, not lead, so they're bigger than you might think they ought to be. But at 55, I didn't feel anything, and I'm pretty dang happy with it. The look of it, the grip, just on the quick little ride I took, it still feels pretty agile. And you know, I don't know, I guess grip, not so much heaviness, just kind of tracks along. We'll see, I'll get some more miles put on it. But so far I don't regret buying that 4.60 tire size at all. I did muff up my rim a little bit, even though I have the rim guards or whatever from Motion Pro. Yeah, it wasn't fun, but it's over with. And I did take them, there's the standard, and it is still a little lighter. I noticed once I got it off the rim, it's still a lighter tire than this sucker, but not anything real crazy. Anyhow, overall, pretty happy. I might, I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty dope. Just got to do better in the mud and on loose gravel. But anyhow, part 2 complete. Peace out.